Hey, today we'll be taking a look at how to cut laminated glass. We'll do a real easy step-by-step little tutorial for you, and at the end of that you'll definitely know how to do it. Come with. So laminated glass is normally the most common thicknesses is 6 millimeters. They'll say 2-3 millimeter glasses with the foil in between, so it's a little over 6 millimeter, 638, 676, we're talking mils. And 8 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 12, and so on and so forth. Here's one of the more common thicknesses. This is the 6 millimeter laminated glass. Real common in doors, storefronts, just windows, like entry-level laminated safety glass. This is more like something you see in a windscreen of a car, and so on. So let's get some tools and see how we do this. Let's get a tape measure so we can get our measurements, and a glass cutter, and one of these. The most important thing with laminated glass is to understand that it is 2 sheets of glass, right? It's 2 sheets of glass with a foil in between. So it needs to be cut on both sides. So let's say, well, it doesn't really matter what the measurement is. But once you've cut it on one side, like so, you need to open that one up. Now we cut it here. So let's open that up. Now you can tell it's been opened. So now I need to repeat the process on the other side. Again, you could measure. What you could also do is place this one like so. Not sure about the light here, but you should be able to see this, and you could look with your cutter and see, yeah, I'm hitting that one underneath there. That you're hitting the same groove as you did underneath. So let's see. And repeat the process with breaking that up. Put it on the edge. And there you have it. Now you've cut both layers. So here you can either use a box cutter, something like a Stanley blade, alcohol to spray on there. But in this case, just to make it real simple, work it down. Sloppy. And there we go. So it's really not that much to it. You just have to remember to cut both sides. And if it's bigger, thicker glass, depending on the foil in between, how nice you want clean you want to cut, you can put some alcohol in there, and that would help dissolve the foil. You can even light that on fire just to help burn it off. So actually it's real straightforward and simple. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one. Let me know in the comments down below if there's something else you want to know about glass. We'll try to make it happen. Hey.